This man had a tumor on his throat and he couldn't speak, and now...
I can speak. I'm getting my voice back.
Come on, give the Lord a mighty hand.
Thank the Lord.
So in the last 6 months, she's had a major stroke and she was unable to walk or talk. And so tonight we came just believing that she will be healed. And this is the first time she has walked without a walker.
I got metal knees.
You got metal knees?
I got both shoulders torn in two. I got spots on my brain. I got neuropathy in my feet.
And what happened now?
I'm well.
You're well. Do what you couldn't do before. Do you just understand what just happened?
This gentleman was in an accident in 2012 and had used that cane ever since, and tonight,
I don't need it no more.
This man was blind in his right eye, and today the Lord touched him. He's starting to see right now. And watch this. Close his eye. Close his eye. Close his eye. Good eye. Touch my nose. Touch my ears. Touch this ear. Touch my nose again. Touch my nose. Come touch my nose. Come, walk me. Touch my nose. Touch my nose. Touch my nose. Touch my nose.